In 2003, free primary education was initiated to abolish payment of fees in primary schools. Effect of the policy change? Following the pupils who enrolled in Standard 1 in 2003 under this program throughout their primary education to high school education, it was realized that it wasn't all that easy. Of the 1.3 million who started in Class 1, only 67% completed primary school in 2010. After the first year of primary school, 13.4% of boys and 12.9% of girls dropped out and did not start Class 2. By Standard 6, a quarter of the students who had joined Standard 1 in 2003 dropped out. Only 75% of boys and 74% of girls proceeded. Recall that 67% that completed primary school? They represent 875,300 pupils. And out of this lot, around 521,000, or rather 88% of the students who joined Form 1 completed Form 4. The largest decreases in enrollment were from pupils joining Standard 1 to Standard 2 and pupils joining from Standard 8 to Form 1, with 172,300 and 353,699 pupils being lost. The country loses just over twice as many students between Standard 8 and Form 1 in comparison to Standard 1 and 2. But dropout rates in high school were much lower than they were in primary school for the first FPE class. When we look at dropout rates from a gender point of view, within the initial group of students who joined the FPE program, we notice that girls dropped out of school at a higher rate than boys in all but 4 years. They had a significant drop in enrollment, nearly 10% from Standard 7 to Standard 8, unlike boys. Despite improved access to primary education at the introduction of FPE, only 36% of boys and 34% of girls who joined Standard 1 in 2003 reached Form 4.